Yeah, this is so nice. I love this. I love this apple. It's so good. Oh, who's that? Excuse me. Excuse me, who are you? Hi, I'm wondering if you can take care of my bunny. I mean, if you can take care of my monkey. Wait, you have a monkey? Yeah, let me show it to you. See? Oh, do I get a paycheck? Oh, of course. It's, how about what about 1,000 a week? How does that sound? That sounds like a good deal. I guess that's fine. Okay, I'll take care of it. Alright. Well, thank you. Well, that was kind of weird. Especially when I didn't know who it came from. Maybe I should have went back more. Well, how do I take care of this thing? Do I take it? Do I put it to sleep? Okay, I put it to sleep. And now what? Guess there's nothing else to do but sit down and eat my apple. Ah, this is the life. I love this apple. Where? Oh, I think that's the monkey. Well, things don't get old. Well, the monkey slept tight. This is so impossible to take care of a monkey. I can't believe this is impossible. I thought taking care of monkeys are so easy. Part 2 soon.